Section 5, Video 5, Dividing Rational Expressions. Now this is actually 8a squared over 1. So I'm going to take the first fraction and I'm going to simplify that top numerator, and I see that a 2 goes into both, so I get a minus 8 in parentheses. I'm going to change the multiplication to the division to multiplication, which means I have to make the second fraction a reciprocal. Now I see if I can cancel anything out. I have a 2. Again, I can only take, it's multiplied by the parentheses, so that's when I can cancel things out when multiplication is occurring. I can cancel that with this 2. I think that's all I can do, so now I can't, now I multiply across. I have a minus 8 over 8a squared. Now remember, I cannot cancel this 8 and this 8 because these have implied parentheses. So that's as far as we can get. Next one, I want to simplify this as far as I can go before I change anything. But I'm going to make sure I don't cancel anything until I've taken care of that division sign. I have 12v in common here, so I get v plus 1. I have 12v in common here as well, so I get v plus 1. Down here I have 10. If I take that out, I have 2 minus 7v. And then we have trinomial here, and 7 cannot go into any of those things, so this is going to have to be factored as is. Now again, I'm going to try trial and error because of space. Plus minus means I should have a plus minus or a minus plus, as long as they're different, doesn't matter. Factors of 18. Now because of that 7 out front, we can't just say we need a sum of 61 here. We just try some things. So if I go 6 and 3, or 3 and 6, and I try this out, we have negative 42 and 3. That does not give us 61, so we try something else. It's best just to use the same ones and switch it, and that gives us negative 21 and 6, which doesn't work, so 6 and 3 does not give us what we want. We try 9 and 2, and we get negative 14 and 9. That's not going to work. We switch 9 and 2, and we have negative 63 and a positive 2, which gives us negative 61, and we want a positive 61, so we can just go ahead and change the signs. And that will give us the right number. So now that everything's factored, we cannot cancel yet, so we fix this and this and this and this, but now we have this problem with the division. So if we rewrite that, it'll be 10, 2 minus 7v over 12v, v plus 1. Now, canceling out, I can take out a v plus 1, so and this is changed now. A v plus 1 cancels. I can take out a 12v and a 12v. Now, there's a problem with this 2 minus 7v. Notice I have 7v minus 2. If I rewrite this, I have negative 7v plus 2. Almost the same thing as that. But if I take a negative 10 out instead of a positive 10, I get positive 7v minus 2. So by taking that negative out, I've allowed myself to cancel the 7v minus 2's. And that would leave us with a v plus 9 right here and a negative 10 above. And this is as far as we can go. And this ends section 5, video 5.